Hey everyone, welcome to Coding with Kiki. If you're wondering whether you should learn Python, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to tell you exactly why Python is one of the best programming languages to learn. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder looking to expand your skills. Let's get started. So why you should learn Python? Here's a few big reasons. Beginner friendly. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. Its simple and readable syntax makes it perfect for beginners. If you can write basic English, you can write Python. Highly versatile. Python is used everywhere, from web development and data science to artificial intelligence and automation, and even game development. No matter what field you're interested in, Python has something for you. In demand and high paying. Python developers are highly sought after, and companies like Google, Netflix, and Tesla all use Python. Learning Python can open doors to high-paying jobs and freelance opportunities. Massive community support. Stuck on a problem? No worries. Python has one of the largest programming communities. There are tons of tutorials, forums, and documentation available to help you. Automate your work. With Python, you can automate boring tasks like renaming files, scraping data from websites, or even building bots. This saves you time and makes you more productive. How to get started? If all of this sounds exciting, then it's time to start learning Python. And guess what? You're already in the right place. On this channel, I create beginner-friendly tutorials, fun coding projects, and step-by-step guides to help you master Python. So, if you're ready to start your coding journey, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's learn Python and build something amazing together. Also, let me know in the comments, why do you want to learn Python? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Happy coding!